to cook and you're here eating my tomatoes.
You have sold me out for riches. You are redoing.
Ma, I am going there with your 3 formats.
Good.
Format number 1, we move. Format number 2, bring her down. And then format number 3. Time before.
Shut up your mouth, are you stupid? I feed you, I clothe you, the house you live in, I shelter you. Including you.
Is the slap bigger than all the things she has done for you?
Mama, she slapped me.
Yes, even the Bible said, and my left, he returned her right.
You want to run away from me?
From you? No, I'm stuck here.
Do you think you can run away from your shadow?
Never.
Now shut your mouth and go right inside. I swear with my life, Osondo, if I get inside before you, you will sleep in the police cell. As it stands now, madam, you have to take this miserable bag of yours back to the village where you came from. From there, you come straight back to the house.
From there, you come straight back to the house.
No, I'm talking to you. You come back to the house.
Yes, me come back to the house.
Without diverting anywhere.
Without diverting anywhere.
I'm just coming with us now. Chief wants to see.
Chief Senator. Hey, take him along. Take him.
We move.
No, you move with the police.
Get up from. Are you there? I said get up from there, you man. You cannot even perform your husbandly duties. When was the last time you went to my evening?
The care for a man comes through the mother, then I will ensure that there's care. But that is when money follows.
She's the daughter of a senator. She will make you this, she will build you this, she will give you this, she will turn you into this. Look at what she's turned me into.
That was when I was blind. Now I can see. Oh, you have forgotten where she's coming from. Father, bicycle repairer. Mother, seller of rotten fish.
Get into the car and drive in.
It's my mother.
Go inside the car and drive in.
Take your hands off. I said take them off, please. That's not.